In this video, we are going to design this basket. So let's get started. Initially, I'm going to apply the appearance. We'll click on edit appearance. So what color we want to use, we click on that and do OK. Now we can start working. So here I'm taking front plane. We'll define one center line. Defining the distance of center line to 120. Now we create two circles. We'll take circle command. We'll define one circle here and one circle at lower side. We'll define both circles to be equal to each other and making this point and this point to be horizontal. Again, this point and this point to be horizontal. Now we're defining the distance from the center line. This is 90. This we take 40. And we'll define the diameter of circle. This I'm taking 8. Exit. Now we are going to revolve this about center line. Okay. Now we'll show the sketch that we have made. Now we'll take the front plane. We'll take center line and we'll define one center line from the origin. We're defining the distance for this 34.50. Now we'll take a spline command. We'll take this point and we'll take the coordinate point of the circle, right click, take select option. Now we'll click on the spline, we'll pick the handle and go to vertical, click on vertical. Again we'll click on spline, we'll take this handle and click on again vertical option. Now we'll take smart dimension, click on this, we'll define the angle of this 105 degrees and for this we'll define 230. Exit. So our path is ready. Now I'll take top plane. We'll create one circle, converting into construction, defining the diameter 80. We'll draw one center line from this point, a straight center line, making that point, press Ctrl button and making that to pierce. Now we'll trim this center line here. We'll create one circle. Defining the diameter of circle is 2. Exit. Now we are going to sweep this. We'll select this profile and go to sweep boss, selecting the path here and do OK. So this is joined properly. Now we'll select this sweep part and go to circular pattern option. Here we define the direction for pattern. We'll select the circular body. Defining total angle 360 degree, taking equal spacing method and making 15 number of objects and do OK. Now we'll hide previous sketches. So this is how we have completed this part. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.